Do you find it challenging to clean your espresso machine and don't know which product to use? Meet Cafiza, a widely used food-grade detergent for your coffee machine. Cafiza is available in two types, the powder and the tablet, each with a specific purpose. Now, we do a back flush with the Cafiza powder on the coffee machine. First, you'll need to insert the blind filter into the portafilter. First, you need to weigh 3 grams into the blind portafilter. Insert portafilter into the group head, run the brew cycle for 10 seconds. Stop. Repeat the same process for 5 times. Once you have done the 5 times, remove the portafilter, rinse it, rinse the portafilter, reinsert the portafilter into the group head, and repeat the same process, 10 seconds running of the brew cycles. Stop, and do the same thing for 5 times. The purpose is to remove any residue of the cleaning agent. Now we have changed back to the regular basket and we'll put an espresso shot. Put an espresso shot to remove any of the traces of the cleaner. Make sure to discard this and do not drink, yeah? We have successfully performed a black flushing cycle using the Cafiza tablet. Next, we'll move on to the Cafiza tablet. And now we're going to clean the coffee machine using the Cafiza tablet. Just start the cleaning process. Follow in the instructions in the machines. It varies from manufacturers. In this case, we'll just need to insert the Cafiza tablet into the instructor area. Start. That's it. We recommend that you clean your coffee machine on a daily basis. And with that. Anyway, that's Cafiza from our next. If you're looking for the Cafiza powder or tablet, visit us at www.cofexcoffee.com or you can drop us a message down here. Thanks for watching.